Hey friends, David here. Quick question. Have you ever tried to get traffic and sales online, and it feels like the only way is to pay for ads? Or post every day on social media, or spend hours writing content that barely gets seen? That is the pain. Time is gone, money is gone, and results still feel slow. Now imagine this instead. You tap into a platform where people are already searching, already asking questions, already ready to buy. And you do it without paid ads, without writing posts yourself, and without sitting there all day doing manual work. That is exactly what today's video is about, and it is why I am reviewing Reddify AI. Before we jump in, do not miss this. Check the link in the description box right now, because I have a full written review article waiting for you. It includes the full OTO breakdown and the discount offer, plus the all-in-one bundle deal if you want the best value, and my special bonuses too. These bonuses cover different parts of digital marketing, so you can boost your results with Reddify AI faster and easier. Go open that link first, then come back and watch the demo with me. Alright, so what is Reddify AI? Reddify AI is an all-in-one platform built to help you hack Reddit for free traffic. It turns Reddit into a 24/7 lead and sales machine. Instead of you doing everything manually, the system helps handle posting, following up, capturing high-intent leads, and monetizing them with high-ticket offers from day one. The goal is simple. Generate a huge flow of ready-to-buy leads every day, without spending $1 on paid traffic, without writing posts yourself, and without even logging into Reddit manually. Think of it like the lazy way to tap into one of the biggest search-driven websites in America, where AI-powered Reddit automation helps turn free traffic into high-ticket sales. Hands-free, around the clock. Now in a second, I will show you how it works and what you actually get inside, so you can decide if Reddify AI is worth it for you today.
Welcome to Reddify AI. Reddify AI is an all-in-one Reddit marketing automation platform designed to generate ready-to-buy leads from Reddit without spending money on ads, writing posts yourself, or manually managing conversations. Everything you're about to see happens inside one simple dashboard, and it's built specifically for people who want to tap into Reddit the right way. You'll also see access to the full training area, including step-by-step videos and a detailed guide that shows you exactly how to use Reddit effectively and safely. Reddit is one of the largest buyer intent platforms on the internet, but most people fail because they don't know what to post, where to post, or how to engage without getting ignored or banned. Reddify AI solves that by combining AI-driven content creation, controlled automation, and built-in best practices. To get started, you simply click Start Here. From here, you connect your Reddit account. This takes a few seconds and only needs to be done once. Reddify AI automatically writes engaging Reddit posts using AI. Instead of staring at a blank screen, the AI analyzes what's already working in your niche and generates posts that sound natural, human, and engaging. You get compelling content in seconds, without writer's block or guesswork. One of the most powerful features is the AI Agents feature. You can feed Reddify AI 5 to 10 URLs of viral Reddit posts with thousands of upvotes and hundreds of comments. The AI reverse engineers the hooks, structure, tone, and emotional triggers, then creates brand new posts for your product using the same proven patterns. You're not guessing what might work, you're replicating what already worked. If you already have your own product or lead magnet, you can plug it directly into Reddify AI. If you don't, Reddify AI includes pre-approved high-ticket affiliate offers you can use immediately. These include offers like Seven-Figure Accelerator, Mintbird Platinum, Product Dino VIP Platinum offers. You simply select the offer, connect your affiliate link, and Reddify AI routes interested prospects directly through your campaigns. This allows you to monetize Reddit traffic from day one. To set up a new campaign on Reddify AI, go to Start Here and click on New Campaign. From here, you have full control over your campaign, aka the post you're making on Reddit. Start by typing in your campaign name, the niche you're targeting, and any other details if need be. This helps the AI understand your niche better. Let's choose one of our high-ticket offers that come bundled with Reddify AI, 7-figure accelerator. Now we scroll down and select Reddit as a platform. Here we have a few options. We can let AI generate our content for us from scratch using our default AI model or selecting a trained viral AI agent. We can also select from our high ticket offer templates, which will pre-fill the post with relevant content to our high ticket offers. These are designed to get engagement and interested prospects, which you can follow up with a high ticket in the DMs. We can ask AI to rewrite these templates for us so that we stay original. We can also ask AI to suggest relevant subreddits for us to post in. You have full flexibility when configuring a campaign, even the way you want the DMs to be sent. Whether you want full auto DMs or if you want DMs to get queued for approval, it's all up to you. After I'm done configuring, I just set the campaign to active and click Create Campaign. From the View Post area, you can click on your post that you made when you set up the campaign. From there, you can schedule the post to be published on Reddit or publish it immediately with the Publish Now button. In a couple of seconds, I'm going to show you how fast my posts get traction. And as you can see, in basically no time, we have already sent out 100 plus DMs to people who have commented on this post. This post received several hundred comments and upvotes from interested prospects. It hasn't even been 24 hours, so this is really fresh. And so far, the high ticket offer that comes bundled with Reddify AI has received 92 clicks and about 45 unique visitors. This will increase gradually as more people open their DMs and click. If only one converts with this high ticket offer out of the hundreds that have gotten the link, then we have made us a whopping $1,878 in pure commissions from free traffic. Moving on, you also have access to a subreddit DB with unmoderated subreddits or subreddits that are more lenient on marketing efforts. This is a really good resource that I use myself. You also have an opt-in page builder that you can use to easily create opt-in pages, connect them to your autoresponder, and collect leads on autopilot when setting them up together with your campaigns. There is the Viral Templates poster and also the Reddit Leads Finder plus Replier, which are max upgrade features. These are really powerful tools combined that will get you the most out of Reddify AI. We also have the Post Scraper plus DMer, which is similar to the Leads Finder, but this one will find people talking about your product and then DM them for you. It will also allow you to follow up with them using AI if they respond. You can set up your products here, and AI will generate relevant keywords to your product before going out there and scraping for posts of people asking about your product. For the client management feature, you need the agency upgrade, which allows you to set up and manage up to 100 client accounts on Reddify AI platform. This means you can sell access to Reddify AI to your audience. You also get a custom sales page, which you can customize and manage from the same dashboard.
So that wraps up my review. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend checking out my full review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete Reddify AI walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the bundle option, an honest breakdown of who this product is best for, and my exclusive bonus package designed to enhance different areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. Those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from Reddify AI and improve your overall online marketing results, not just your streaming platform. So if you're serious about building your own online business, driving traffic, generating leads, or creating new online income streams, click the link in the description, read the full review, watch the demos, and see if this tool's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.